Good morning everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Wednesday and let's get right into the charts. It is happening, guys, right now. As you can see, we are finally breaking through this value area high level. As you can see in my past basically 4 or 5 videos, I am talking about how Bitcoin is bullish at the range lows, and right now we are finally breaking towards that range high. You can see currently we are right now getting somewhat of a resistance at the weekly R3 and also the 200 EMA on the 8 hourly, which has previously acted as a very good signal, as you can see previously also on this range from last time. So since we are hitting it right now, you can see last time, if history repeats, we hit this level, we went down and then we broke it. And so basically if we count this right here as the hit that we had right here, this means that we are likely to actually break it right now. But it could also not be the same, and maybe we get another drop and then we actually break it. But time will tell, as I have told you. Basically in the next couple of weeks I am leaning bullish and we are finally pushing higher. So the target for now is going to be this high right here at around $76,000. You can see right here it is coming out with quite a lot of resistances there. We have that all-time high from back in 2024. And also we've got the monthly R1. You can see right here, basically, if we draw a box like so, this is the key area of interest for Bitcoin. And what actually happens if we break through this area, then I do believe this price right here is going to be next. $80,000. Could very well happen if we break this box right here that I have just made. It is very likely, I think, with momentum coming in right now, finally, after being like 60 days in this range right here. And the stock market is actually pushing hard above resistance, which was previously support. It was resistance right now, and right now that we are back above it, if we close a daily candle above this level right here, we could very well be back above support and flip this level back into support. The dollar is also pushing down after rejecting from this very key resistance that we have. And also there are some news going on around with the war right now. Basically peace talks are happening. It did not escalate as people were thinking last night, and there are actually peace talks going on right now. And as you can see, the dollar is dropping, and I also do think that oil, yeah, you can see oil had pretty massive drop, around 20%. Gold is pumping, Bitcoin is pumping, and the dollar and the oil prices are going down, which is what is causing this move. It was perfectly timed in my opinion, with Bitcoin being at the range lows. Basically, charts will tell you everything that you need to know for the price action, in my opinion. You can see this was perfectly timed. Bitcoin did not break down. People were ultra bearish right here at these lows. I have told you in my past videos that you should never get bearish at the lows, and that the market makers won't make this that easy for price to just break down before punishing those late short positions right here. And right now from the lows we are up around 11%, so this is very well happening. If you look at Ethereum, for example, you can see it is also looking very bullish on the 12 hourly and on the daily time frame. RSIs are not over bought yet, and we could potentially target $2,300. We are basically very close, but this is gonna be like the next target that I'm looking at. And maybe even take out the high at around 2,400. It's gonna be the monthly R2, as you can see. if we look at the open interest for Bitcoin, you can see we don't actually got that much open interest. Basically, last times price have topped out when open interest was maxed out. So this is also giving me some signals for potentially bullish continuation. And once the open interest starts to get very high, then we will potentially top out. But as of right now, we are trading, still staying above VWAP, and this is giving me potentially helping my bias for more bullish continuation. Liquidation heat map, we took most of the liquidity, but we still got a lot of liquidity which is sitting on the top side. Let me just switch to a hard time frame. You can see we have most of the liquidity, millions of liquidity stacked all the way up to like $78,000 to $80,000. So I do believe another short squeeze could happen in the coming next weeks. Fear and Greed Index, you can see back in that neutral after this pump that we had tonight. We are back in that neutral zone. But something very interesting to see yesterday, we actually had a sell-off from the big institutions. 159 million of Bitcoin spot ETFs were sold, which is very interesting to see with price pumping. But remember, the other day we had like 500 million of buys, so this is pretty interesting to see. Long versus shorts ratio, of course, you can see we have more longs right now in the market. And we do have some news coming out basically today, nothing much, FOMC meeting, but this won't affect, I think, it depends what they say, but I do think that it won't affect the market that much. Tomorrow is going to be important, and Friday is going to be the most important day for the market. And yeah, I do think that this would cover it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.